whoever day you're watching this video. I am making a video of my unboxing of the YouTube giveaway that I had entered, and I wanted to show you the items that I won in this giveaway, and it was from a special YouTuber named Junglenaps. I have always followed her since she was like maybe 5,000 subscribers. So now she is an amazing 10,000 subscribers and constantly going up. So make sure you guys check out her channel, and I will show you clips of my unboxing because I just got it in the mail today. So I will add a clip of me actually receiving and unboxing it for the first time, and then my camera started going dead, so I had to cut out and come back again and show you guys one by one. So if you want to see the items that I received in the winnings of the drawing, stay tuned.
I think you better touch, got shoes out of line. Say it tomorrow, I think this shit never come. Easy make easy wake up on. Just give as much as you take, forgive as much as you wait. Or get the fuck out, I'm in the thick out. Looking for old out, no just taking it slow. I'm feeling one out, looking for old out. Somebody show me.
Okay, I want to do a little, unboxing of the YouTube giveaway that I entered and won. So it is a box full of makeup and goodies. So I just got it in the mail today, like less than 2 minutes ago. So I wanted to do a little unboxing real quick to show you guys what I received. And let's see. I want to make sure I didn't, put the sender's address nor mine in the video. So here we go, nicely packaged. Oh my gosh, hold on. Oh my gosh, look. Okay. You got face mask, and I love face mask. Got the e.l.f. It is Modern Metals. I wanted to try this. Oh, the C palette from Tarte. Okay, my battery is about to go dead. I'm going to come back in a few and show you guys because I'm losing lighting. So I will show you guys in a minute. Okay, y'all, had to finish doing the unboxing because my phone was going dead. So now I'm home, it's nighttime, and now I'm going to show you the rest of the items that are in the box. This is the e.l.f. Modern Metals eyeshadow palette. I don't know why I'm getting tongue-tied. So next is the Pixie by Petra Pixie Glow. This is either you can use it as a highlighter or a blush topper. And it's two different kinds. This one is the Pixie Glow Cake, and we have another one. I don't know if they're the same. Yeah, both are two different ones. So we have two of these. It's only a face clay eyeshadow palette. Colors, very pretty. The Wonder Beauty Baggage Claim Eye Mask, or Refining Primer Mask from e.l.f. Oops Soda Bubble Mask Aqua Fruit Face Mask. The Derma Blend Professional Loose Setting Powder color. So Derma Blend, the Derma E Essentials Micro Dermabrasion Scrub Citrus Oil Blend and Dead Sea Salt. I cannot stress it enough to take care of your skin. I have a lot of skincare items, and I love adding it to my collection. We have the Derma N Essentials Illuminating Rose Chip and Cranberry Face Oil. Physicians Formula Smudge Proof Brow Last Brow Gel. Physicians Formula Charcoal Detox Cleansing Stick from Physicians Formula. Bobbi Brown Primer Plus Mattifier. We have the Urban Decay All Nighter Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. I actually wanted to get this, so I'm glad, you know, it came in my little prize box. You have the Highbrow Pencil by Benefits. You have this from the Balm Mad Lash Black Mascara. E Purifying Your Youth Serum with Marine Algae and Green Tea. So I got 2 of them. Like I said, I love skincare, so this will be added to my collection. The Chocolate Gel Eyeliner. I might use this as a pomade for my eyebrows. Derma E Vitamin C Renewing Moisturizer with probiotics and reubos. Not sure if I'm saying it correctly. Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 Eyeshadow Palette. Super cute packaging. Have the neutral colors in there, very pretty. I actually been looking at this too. I actually wanted to get one, but I wasn't for sure, so I'm glad I got one. The Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Eyeliner. And this is a sample. I love Stila. I love their products. Shake It Fresh Clump Free Volume Mascara. And it's revolutionary, so every time you use it, you shake it up to renew it. Magnify Eyes Nude Edition from Firmoo. And I actually have one of these, so I'm going to give this to my cousin. I have been looking at this, and I have yet to get it, but now I have one. And this is the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. e.l.f. Modern Metals Lipstick. Liquid Matte Lipstick. Such a pretty color. The Jelly Pong Pong Dream Palette with micronized pure pigments. Oh, this one's kind of broke, but as you can see, kind of broke a little bit on the side, but it's fine. This is the Adesi New York Organic Infused Age Defying Nail Treatment Essentials. You have the CoverGirl lipsticks, and let's see if I can get it. Okay. Got 4 CoverGirl lipsticks. You have 465 Fillings Demi Matte. You have the 550 Deeper Metallic. The 460 Demi Matte. And the 540 Stop the Press Metallic. So I haven't opened these up yet. So I will be testing them out and try to do a video for you guys to see what it is. Key Professional Get Ready Makeup Priming Spray. I have the Koki Set It and Forget It Setting Spray, Makeup Setting Spray, and the Aftermath Post Makeup Spray. So after you take off all your makeup, you put this on your face. Physicians Formula Essentials Minis Essentials. And you have the Oil-Free Serum, the Spotlight Illuminating Primer, Mineral Glow Pearls, the Healthy Lip Velvet Liquid Lipstick, and the Killer Curves Mascara. I have the Pink Sparkle Profusion Cosmetic Set. You get the eyeshadows, the blush, looks like blush, highlighter. You get the eyeliner and brush. Last but not least, you have the Physicians Formula Color Me Healthy, and you have the liquid lipstick and a lip transformer. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 lipsticks, lip glosses, and a lip transformer. I am so thankful and so appreciative to the makeup that I received, the items I received, the beauty care items that I received. If you guys like, I can do a review on some of the products if you would like to see that. I can't wait to try them out because I love makeup. I have just cleaned out and organized my makeup room, so now I gotta find a place for these to put them into my rest of my collections over here. Oh, I got 2 coupons too for Black Radiance, $2 off any Black Radiance of $4.99. So I want to thank Junglenaps. I am really appreciative of, you know, winning the giveaway of hers that she had on her video. I am a very big supporter of her channel. I think I subscribed to her channel when she was about maybe 5,000 subscribers. Yeah, about 5,000 subscribers, and I have watched her channel grow. I am very supportive of her. I always comment, I always like her videos because she does some good work. You guys make sure you check her out. I will add her information on here. She's a really good YouTuber. She's a very sweet young lady. So, like I said, if you enjoyed the video, let me know in the comments below. Make sure you hit that like button, and I will see you guys in the next video. I'll talk to you later.